Welcome to Clarity's Tips and Tricks section. In this segment, we'll show you how easy it is to import your own HTML code to create an email template within Clarity. You can use the template for individual or group marketing, and this gives you total license and creativity. Let's get started. Go to clarity-crm.com. Enter your username and password and click Login. Once you get to the main page, click on the Home tab and then click Emails on the main menu. This is your personal email screen. In the previous tip, we showed you how to create emails using the email editor within Clarity. There are many ways to make that work for you, but some of you may have creative needs that go beyond the scope and ability of the editor. Also, some may have proprietary and formatted communications that won't fit into what Clarity has for an email template. Well, Clarity gives you the option to store an HTML document to your system. Your signature line will simply be added to the bottom. If you're looking at this, I probably don't need to explain what HTML code is. But just in case, it is simply Hypertext Markup Language, HTML. This is what is used to create web pages and more dynamic pages that show in our current email editors, as opposed to just plain text. Click the Import Email button and the input window opens up. I want to pause here for just a minute though. Let's go get some HTML code so we can have something to play with. What we're going to do in this example is go to homesbyclarity.com and grab some HTML from one of the Realtor flyers. We'll add and use this in our example. Again, if you have your own HTML code, just follow along and you'll see how easy this is to duplicate. Let's click on one of the Realtors. Browse through a couple of their listings and click on a property. This is the property we'll use for this example. We're going to click on Create Flyer and then click on the HTML code button. I'll highlight and copy the code for the flyer. Now let's jump back to the input window and paste it into our input email box. Now make sure and enter your title for this document here. I'll just use the street name for the house flyer. Then add the subject line here. Remember, the subject line will get duplicated to whoever you send it to. Let's click Save and let's go look at it on the personal email screen. Here's your new custom email or flyer in this case. Again, you can edit, preview, and delete this document here to the right. Let's look at a preview of this flyer. Well, here's the flyer we created with the HTML code. Your signature line will automatically populate at the bottom of the email when it goes out. Creating emails inside Clarity gives you the flexibility to create quickly, easily, and uniquely for your business model. Now let's look at tip 8, and I'll show you how easy it is to create a mail group to send these flyers to. Well, that's it for this segment. Thank you for building your network with Clarity.